Hi everyone, I'm Allie Cohen. I'm Senior Director of Development for the DC Heart Walk. Thanks for giving us a few minutes to share our strategy for the 2015 Heart Walk event to secure our See You Next Year sponsors. These are our signs, our activation. So I'm going to share a little bit about how we secured the sponsorship, and then we'll have Ron Coleman and JP Wiley from our team talk a little bit more about the activation on the day of the event. We targeted our top-level leadership for this strategy, including our current year chair and our prospective chairs for the next 2 years. Our 2015 chair, Matt Curtis, was committed to staying involved for another year. This requirement was laid out during our initial chair orientation, so he had the expectation of continued support. Our next significant ask was for our 2016 chairman, Lou Von Thaer. We made our ask 30 days before the Heart Walk and let him know that we would provide significant visibility if he was able to give us an answer about chairing in 2016 prior to the walk. He would also have the opportunity to speak from the stage. We received a 3-year signed pledge the following day. And our third See You Next Year sponsor prospect was Mark Gray at ASRC Federal. This was a relationship that we had been cultivating for several years, and we were very clear in our conversations with the marketing team that we wanted Mark as the chairman. Although Mark was unable to take the role as the chairman at the time, they understood our need for leadership succession and agreed to sign on as a sponsor for 2016, with plans to chair in the future. And Mark actually just agreed to chair in 2018.
Hi, I'm Ron Coleman, Director of Development for the DC Heart Walk, and I'm here to talk to you about the pitch. So, we talked to these guys and their marketing teams about investing in the cause and leaving a legacy of success rather than being a one-hit wonder, which we all hate. We tapped into their competitive sides, and by explaining to them that this commitment over several years is what would elevate our Heart Walk to the level of some of the leading heart walks in the country. And they really heard us, and they championed behind us.
Hi, my name is JP Wiley. I'm Director of Development here on the Heart Walk team in DC. And we shared with the marketing teams at each of our companies the idea for a significant sign at the finish line. When they saw the sample at DC Marathon, they loved it. The signs were placed at the finish line, and they were 4x8, so they literally made a huge impression. This strategy worked well for us as we continue to build our chair succession plan, as all of the See You Next Year sponsors are current or past chairmen. 2015 was our strongest year with this strategy, and we anticipate more success in 2016 as we extend the strategy to all of our sponsors.